Alright, so we're gonna take a look at cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. How are you doing? Why isn't it giving me real quick? Alright, that's when I looked at Tesla. Now I'm going to look into BTCUSD. How's it doing? What's the price? And is there potential to get in at a cheaper price? So, yeah, wait, what day was that? Oh dang, on the 13th it dropped down again. Oh wait, that was March. My bad. But it's been consolidating for a long time. And yeah, over the last couple of days, it spiked up to like 9,000. And looking at it now, to me, oh, Bitcoin looks like it could do either one. So the way I'm gonna say this, I'm just gonna put this video out immediately. So take this how you want. Let's remove that and try to extend the trend a little bit. There we go. So for people who are looking to invest more towards the long term, I'd say this would, based on the break that I was seeing, there's no telling how far it could drop, really. But in my view, if you wanted to just buy it at a cheaper price, I would look for it to come near, yeah, at this point, like about 7,000 and try to get in there. That's just my, wait, and before I continue, we'll throw out a quick disclaimer because I'm not a financial advisor. Everything is opinion based and strictly educational purposes, so make your purchases and trade at your own risk. But overall, if it does continue, and if I was a person that was new to Bitcoin and I wanted to jump in, here are your three options. You can say screw it and just get in the coin if you're just purchasing the asset and just let it fluctuate. It's your risk. Or you can have patience, and if it does indeed break and start to roll down, I would wait and try to monitor the chart and see if it comes down to about 7,000. And another area that could have some potential, which is not exactly guaranteed, would be about 5,400, just to kind of bounce off this trend line. So if I were to say it were to go a little higher, I would say it would be about here. But cryptocurrency is doing pretty great from what I can tell. I mean, it's consistent, hitting big numbers at this point. It's showing some growth. So if you got in at an earlier point, especially if you just bought like $3,000 worth, or you're trading it or whatever, you can make some good money off of this. And as for like when the person could actually sell this stuff, it's totally up to you. And actually looking at it, to me, to kind of confirm, looking left, I might actually trade this myself, but it's overall an opinion still. If I was conservative, but At the same time, those are your areas if you are looking for opportunities to actually purchase. So about maybe here, maybe here. It depends on your tolerance level and your patience. And at the same time, you have to know how to kind of spot reversal points on your own. So when it does come to this area, I'm not just gonna like just jump in or anything. I'm just looking at what it's doing. I know how to recognize what's actually happening at this point. So whenever it comes near the area, I'm gonna see how it reacts. But for now, my thoughts, I would say that it has potential to actually drop. No guarantee, but what you do is up to you. I put out other videos saying perfect opportunity, sharing perfect opportunities. So you just have to be able to kind of monitor this stuff on your own. But Bitcoin actually looks pretty great at this point. So when this drop could have happened, actually this brick here is this is just one day, so it's not easy to say at the moment, because it could be in one day or it could consolidate for quite some time. As you can tell, it has done multiple occasions. So it's just more of look out or train yourself to be able to kind of see the opportunities yourself as well, or get some type of mentorship. But overall, just pay close attention. Right now is not the time to buy unless you just want to go ahead and hold out and let it fluctuate and just go at your own risk. It's up to you. But as far as other cryptos, I will more than likely post other videos about Litecoin, Ethereum. I've just put out a video on like some stocks like Tesla and marijuana. So if you want access to those videos, feel free to check out my channel. I'll probably put a couple videos in the description below. So feel free to check them out. If you felt this video was pretty helpful, feel free to give it a like. Feel free to subscribe. And feel free to comment your questions.